Neptune is a dark and a cold planet. It is among the 8 planets in the solar system. Neptune has some features and characteristics that set it apart from the other planets. With these 30 facts about Neptune, let us learn more about it. 1. Location. Neptune is the 8th and the farthest planet from the Sun. However, in 1930, after the discovery of Pluto, the title of the most distant planet from the Sun was snatched from Neptune and was given to Pluto. However, once again, in 2006, when Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet, Neptune became the most distant planet from the Sun. Order of the planets from the Sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto, the dwarf planet. 2. Ice or gas. Neptune is the smallest of the ice giants. Uranus is the other ice giant. 3. Discovery. Neptune was not known to the ancients, and until 1846, its position was determined with the help of mathematical predictions. Galileo had predicted the presence of a star in his drawings, however he did not conclude that it was actually a planet. 4. Sighting the planet in the sky. Neptune cannot be seen in the sky with the naked eye because of its extreme distance from the Earth. 5. Around the Sun. Neptune takes 165 Earth years to complete its orbit around the Sun. 6. Pluto versus Neptune. During the time Neptune makes 3 orbits around the Sun, Pluto makes 2. 7. Magnetic field. Neptune's magnetic field is 27 times more powerful than that of the Earth. 8. Which color? The characteristic color of Neptune is blue, which is due to the presence of methane on the planet. Uranus, on the other hand, is greenish-blue. 9. How many rings? Neptune has 6 known rings. These rings were confirmed by Voyager 2 in 1989. However, these rings vary in thicknesses and are supposed to be short-lived and relatively young. 10. Moons are many. Neptune has 13 officially confirmed moons and 1 unconfirmed moon. 11. Neptune's biggest moon. Triton, Neptune's biggest moon, revolves in an opposite direction to that of Neptune's other moons. It is the only large moon in the solar system that has a retrograde orbit. 12. Today's moon. Tomorrow's ring. Triton is slowly spiraling inward towards the planet. It is estimated that Triton, after a few billion years, will eventually be torn apart by the planet's gravitational force and a ring will be formed as a result. 13. No solid surface. Because Neptune is a gas giant, there is no solid surface on Neptune for a spacecraft to land on the planet. 14. Diameter and mass. Neptune is the 4th largest planet in terms of diameter and 3rd largest in terms of mass. 15. Naming the planet. Neptune is named after the Roman god of the sea because of its bluish appearance. 16. Change of name. Neptune was initially called Leverrier, after the name of the scientist, Jean-Joseph Leverrier, who discovered it. However, this name of the planet was abandoned and it was finally named Neptune. 17. Neptune versus Jupiter. Did you know that Neptune has the 2nd largest gravitational force in the solar system after Jupiter? 18. Exploration by spacecraft. Just 1 mission has been sent to Neptune in 1989. Maybe because of its long distance from the Earth or due to the lack of interest of the scientific community because of the non-availability of conditions to sustain human life on Neptune. 19. How hot? The average surface temperature of Neptune is -214 degrees Celsius. 20. 1 day on the planet. The length of a day on Neptune is 16 hours. 21. Uranus versus Neptune. Uranus is bigger than Neptune. 22. Neptune versus Earth. Size comparison. It would take 60 Earths to completely occupy the space available on Neptune. 23. Supersonic winds. Winds as fast as 1,200 miles per hour blow on Neptune, and these winds have blown away the great dark spot on Neptune. 24. Wind speed comparison. Winds on Neptune can be 3 times faster than that on Jupiter and 9 times faster than that on Earth. And scientists are amazed as to why the winds on the planet blow so fast. 25. A monster dark spot. Great dark spot in the southern atmosphere of Neptune was first recorded by Voyager 2 in 1989. Wind speeds upward of 1,500 miles per hour were recorded during this storm. However, the storm only lasted for 5 years, because when in 1994, The Hubble Space Telescope was used to view the dark spot. The dark spot was not there anymore. 26. Neptune versus Earth. Gravitational force. Neptune's gravitational force is only 17% stronger than that of Earth. Thus, Neptune is the only planet in the solar system that has Earth-like gravity. 27. Coldest of all. Neptune also has the credit of being the coldest planet in our solar system. The temperature on the planet can get as low as -221 degrees Celsius. 28. Maiden orbit. Since its discovery in 1946, Neptune completed its first orbit around the Sun in 2011. 29. Planet 9. Now a team of scientists led by astronomer Mike Brown have announced in 2016 that they have some evidence of the existence of another planet in the solar system which they have nicknamed Planet 9. This planet is supposed to have 10 times the mass of Earth and an orbit which is 20 times farther than the Sun on average than Neptune. 30. Latest moon. Neptune's 14th moon was discovered on July 1, 2013, during a fresh analysis of the images collected by the Hubble Space Telescope. The moon was spotted nearly 150 times in the images that were collected during 2004 and 2009. Scientists estimate that the moon is just 12 miles wide. Neptune. Quick facts. Discovered by Urbain Le Verrier, John Couch Adams, Johann Gale. Orbit size around Sun: 4,498,396,441 kilometers. Equatorial inclination: 19,566 kilometers per hour. Equatorial circumference: 154,704.6 kilometers. Volume: 62,525,703,987,421 cubic kilometer. Mass: 102,410 sextillion kilograms. Density: 1.638 gram per centimeter cube. Surface area: 7,618,272,763 kilometers square. Surface gravity: 11.15 meter per second square. Escape velocity: 84,816 km per hour. Effective temperature: -214 degrees Celsius. Atmospheric constituents: hydrogen, helium, methane. Known moons: 14 known rings. 6 largest moon. Triton missions to Neptune: just 1. Voyager 2 in 1989. Characteristic color: blue. That's it for now. Please subscribe for more videos.